Delhi's air quality is reported to be in the poor category, with the air quality index recorded to be 274 at 8 a.m. on Tuesday. Despite this, the national capital was still covered in a thin layer of smog. The Supreme Court had ruled that restrictions under Graded Response Action Plan 4 continue in the national capital, and the air quality has of course shown a slight improvement, but the Supreme Court has not relaxed the restrictions currently. These are the latest updates coming in from the national capital, where a thin layer of smog continues to cover Delhi. Although, of course, AQI has improved slightly. It's reported to be in the poor category, with 274 being the index recorded this morning. Mehendi Garg is joining us for more details on this story. Mehendi, what is the situation as far as the air quality in the national capital is concerned this morning?
Well, talking about the pollution situation in the national capital right now, it's still better. It's better comparing to the past few weeks because, earlier we all saw that how the AQI levels has increased the levels of 500, and some of the hotspot areas have also observed the AQI index to, cross the 1,000 level also. But right now the situation is better, but still some restrictions and GRAP-4 is still imposed in the national capital. But talking about the air quality, then it is still better right now. But talking about the problems, then there are some few hotspots that are still there. Talking about Anand Vihar area, Akshardham area, or the ISBT and the ITO. These are some of the busy routes, and also, vehicular pollution in these specific areas is a lot. And due to that, still the situation in these particular areas are critical as of now. But talking about the air quality index, then it has dropped to the range of, between 200 to 300, which comes under poor quality. But comparing to the earlier situation, it is better. And right now, due to the changing climate, due to the winters approaching, automatically the situation has got better in the national capital. But, if we talk about the solutions, then all the solutions that were imposed in the national capital were, can be said to be temporary. And naturally, the situation has gotten better. But still, as Supreme Court's verdict and Supreme Court hearings are also happening on this particular situation, then Supreme Court has also asked very strict questions to the Delhi government that what all actions they are taking to combat this problem that happens every year. But still, nothing sort of a permanent solution can be seen right now. But as of now, the situations are still better, and people are, breathing a better quality air as of now. Yes, Abhay.
All right, Mehendi, thank you for joining us.